Alright, what's up guys and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the title and probably the thumbnail, you already know what we're going to be doing with the beautiful goodies that we finally just bought. But first thing first, as you can see, the sky is very cloudy and gloomy and it's supposed to rain in literally a couple minutes, but the car is very dirty and I want to wash the car before I even put on that trunk because it's full of pollen. Since today is literally a beautiful ass day, it is around like 80 degrees, which is crazy since it's been in the 50s for the longest time now and raining constantly. But we finally get blessed with a good day and of course it rains. But we're gonna clean the car real quick and then get this trunk on and try to compare the difference to see how it looks, if it was a good buy or not. I mean, I think it's a good buy. Carbon fiber is always a good buy. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm already seeing the thunderstorms rolling in. Like I hear them, but this is so dirty. I don't know if you're not even gonna be able to see on camera, but it's dirty. Like it's completely full of pollen. Like, oh, I just got out my freaking camera lens, but look at it, completely full of pollen. Right? Hold on. Hopefully that cleaned it up. But this is the OEM trunk, as you can see. Has a little OEM spoiler on it. Like, it's not bad. Oh, it already started to rain. I feel the water, but it's not bad, right? It's a nice look, obviously, but I want a little bit more of an oomph. This is a little side view, just so you could get like a little representation of the difference of how it's gonna look. But since it's already raining and the thunderstorm is gonna start, I'm gonna go inside and wash the car after it rains. So give me a couple minutes.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
All right, so my boy Dionis came by to help out. Sheesh. See him with the STI over there, but this is what it looks like. Wow, you can see the little ducktail right there. Look at that. I put it on a box for now because I need to take the other trunk off, but look at that, completely carbon. This is the VIS Racing carbon fiber trunk for the BRZ FRS 86. This one is pre-owned. It's not new. As you can tell right here, it already has all the cutouts made for everything I need. Like, well, this one was on a 2016 BRZ, I think, or whatever. So it has the cutout for the backup camera, which I do want to get for this car because this car is 2013, so it doesn't come with it, but we're gonna get it. So it's perfect since it's already cut out there, and then obviously the cutouts for the lights and license plate, everything is ready to go. But look at that. Beautiful carbon. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hopefully this transforms the car. The rear end look, it will, but hopefully it does a lot. Alright, so on your BRZ or FRS trunk, it's really simple, to be honest. All you gotta do is remove this bolt right there and then the one right underneath it. Same thing on the other side, and then obviously take out the actual lock and then all the lighting stuff and all this stuff up here. This I don't know how to take off yet, but we're gonna find out pretty soon. And then it should be really straightforward. All you gotta do is put everything back and you should be good. All right, so the little thing that I told you, the little like gurney thing, garnish, whatever it's called, that holds in the lights, those are actually 8mm nuts that you got to take out. They're basically like hand tight in there, but they're 8mm. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them, right? And then right here you got to take these off, like I said, and then inside the trunk there's actually like a little wiring harness, which you can see right here, and you got to unplug it, and that's it. Should be super easy and simple. It's out from this little like garnish thing that holds your lights in. See, super simple. See the bolts, well, the nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there's actually 5, but these hold in your lock like your actual lock. You see right there, holds it in like so, whatever, blah blah blah. Take those two nuts off and it should come right off. And then there's like a little clip right here, which is probably what's gonna stop the whole thing. So push that out and you should be good. All right, there you guys have it. Trunk is off, super simple. Bam, ba-blam. Now that we actually have it off, we get to go to the fun part, which is installing the carbon fiber one, and you literally just have to reverse the process. So let's get to it. All right, so my boy Dion has got it up. All right,
Sir.
we gotta literally just reverse the process. Like, see, the mounting holes are already there. You know, thank God these holes are already pre-drilled from the previous owner, so I don't have to worry about cutting into my brand new, quote unquote brand new carbon fiber trunk. So thank you, previous owner. It's not gonna lock, obviously, but like, all right, you already seen how it looks, but before we actually get like to like up close and personal and see like the fitment and everything, how beautiful it looks right now, let's actually put all the wiring back in the lights and have it actually completed. All right, so we ran into our first problem. It's probably our first and only problem, to be honest, but this is a little carbon fiber like garnish thing that I told you that I got that replaces this one. See, boom. The only thing is, this one has my little trunk button right there. You know what I mean? And this one doesn't have it. As you can see, is literally just like a blank canvas for you to cut out, and this one has the button. So I'm gonna somehow modify it if I could fit this button in here, but I'm gonna do that at a later date because I'm trying to get this carbon trunk put together, you know. So let's go do that. Right, so a little carbon fiber gurney thing, this whatever, I don't know what the hell to call it. This, right? The thing that's supposed to hold the emblem. That actually came, the carbon fiber one came with one actual like bolt for you to screw the nut onto. So your actual lock right here is gonna be like dangling, right? So what I did from the old one, these literally just slide out. So slid one out and I put it in through the top, which you could see literally right there. So just slide it down in like this, and then voila, it should come out from the bottom right there, and hopefully we could screw it in without it breaking. All right, moment of truth. Everything's back on. Let me actually pop this joint in here. There we go. Now let's see. It locks. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's on this 30, boy. Sturdy. All right, quick look of how the car actually looks now. With the whole profile of the wing and trunk, well, duck lip and trunk. Sheesh. Look at that. This is exactly what it needed, and it's exactly what I wanted. Now I just need a nice little wide body. Sheesh. So I'm gonna try to get a better view when it's daytime again. But look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so there's a super duper rare sighting of all our cars, literally, like, well, not all of them, but most of them all together and actually working and not broken. You know, carbon fiber trunk, looking beautiful, right? But now we're literally gonna go wash our cars for tomorrow. Tomorrow we actually have that little like TJ Hunt thing and Adam LZ, that little like drift event. So we're gonna wash our cars for that tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out.